Hi everybody. Today we will discuss such a topic like hydrogen bonding. Well, since indeed this topic is not so difficult to understand, but very often I see that students get confused. So I decided to devote this video to this topic to make it clearer and easier to understand. So what is hydrogen bonding? Let's start with the definition. Hydrogen bonding, it's such kind of intermolecular interaction that exists between a hydrogen atom of one molecule and a strongly electronegative atom of another molecule. As a strongly electronegative atom, we can take fluorine, oxygen, or nitrogen. So there should be one of these three atoms between two molecules. But inside of the molecule, hydrogen should create a covalent polar bonding with them. Let's take an example. As an example, let's take water molecule. O, H, H. And let's take one more water molecule. O, H, H. Let's now see. We say that hydrogen bond exists between two molecules because it's an intermolecular force. We see that we have hydrogen here, which has bonding with oxygen. The same thing in the other molecule. So this bond, look, between this hydrogen and this oxygen. In your opinion, what kind of bonding is this one? It is a covalent polar bond. The same is here. These are covalent polar bonds. All the red ones, which I make them with red, they are covalent polar. Very often students say that this is a hydrogen bonding inside of the molecule. Indeed, no. It is not a hydrogen bonding. It is a covalent polar bond because this is inside of the molecule, intramolecular force. But if we take two different molecules, so this hydrogen and this oxygen, but from the other molecule, I mean this one, between these two atoms, there will be hydrogen bonding. The green ones will be hydrogen. So, the same thing we can say about this hydrogen and this oxygen of this molecule, because both of them have a covalent polar bonding with their oxygen, so they will create a hydrogen bond with the other molecule. What about this one? So this hydrogen and this hydrogen will create hydrogen bond with this oxygen. So we can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. Overall, there are 4 hydrogen bondings between these two molecules. Let's take another example. Let's take water, again, a water molecule, and ethanol. Water and ethanol. Let's see. Here we have hydrogen bonded to oxygen. So we can say that between two ethanol molecules, we will have a hydrogen bond. And also, as we have already said, these hydrogens have covalent polar bond with this oxygen. So, between these two hydrogens and this oxygen, we will have hydrogen bond. The three spots, like triple dot, shows hydrogen bond. At the same time, between this hydrogen, not this, but the one which is bonded to oxygen, and this oxygen, there will be also a hydrogen bond. So, the hydrogen atoms which have a covalent polar bond inside of the molecule with fluorine, oxygen, or nitrogen will have a hydrogen bonding with the same atom, fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen, of another molecule which is also bonded to hydrogen. I hope it is now clear. But let's take another example. Yes, here we see that hydrogen is bonded to fluorine. So you would draw one more such a molecule. Let's do it in the opposite way. Hydrogen and fluorine. So here, inside of the molecule, we have a covalent polar bond. However, between this hydrogen and this fluorine, also this hydrogen and this fluorine, we will have a hydrogen bond. Let's take a molecule of acetone. Okay, let's see. Will hydrogen bonding exist between two acetone molecules? You would draw one more molecule of acetone. Let's say CH3CO, CH3. For example, between this oxygen and these hydrogens, it's obvious that no hydrogen bond. Why? Let's figure out. Yes, we have hydrogen here, 3 hydrogens. Here we have 3 hydrogens. Here we have oxygen. So hydrogen and oxygen both present. So you would take 2 molecules of acetone. Why will they not create hydrogen bond? Hydrogens of one molecule and oxygen of another one. Because these hydrogens which we have in this molecule, they are not bonded with oxygen. Oxygen creates covalent polar bonding only with carbon. It is not bonded to hydrogen. So there is no bond of hydrogen with oxygen, or hydrogen with fluorine, or hydrogen with nitrogen. There is not such bond. It means that in such a molecule we will have no hydrogen bonding. Well, that's all, and see you in the next video. Bye.